Hey, hello, welcome. Marcel, Hilltop Camper and RV here in Fridley, 3 miles north of 694 on University Avenue. This is the Alliance Delta 291BH. Give you a quick buzz around this bad boy today. 7,700 pounds dry, 34.5 feet tip to tip. The great thing Alliance does is huge pass-through storage. You can see a table in there you get to pull out. You got your controls over on this side, so if you're running out your awning, you can see if there's any trees nearby. Solid steps at the bedroom door and the rear entrance, the main entrance. And then in the back, you got yourself a beautiful griddle. Comes out even further, but gives you the idea you can do steak or eggs at the same time. Spray ports, all three walls, right, left, and rear. You do have a receiver hitch for a bike rack, what have you. Let's take a peek on the inside. Oh, big storage door back here underneath the bunks. Huge, just huge. One thing I like about Alliance too is their ladders. Very heavy duty, wide, very rugged. Let's go on inside. Coming into the coach, you could have an L-shaped dinette right straight in front of you. Bunk room off to the left. Show you that in a minute. This ottoman comes with it too. That can, you can see it flips up there, so you can put that where the table is and use it as a desk if you wish type. Or it can go where this table is and become another bed there if need be. You got your theater seating. Across from your theater seating, you're gonna have fireplace, storage, TV, windows, more windows. Beautiful kitchen, counter extension there, trash can, huge storage below the stove oven, pots and pans, beautiful, nice size 12-volt refrigerator, pull-out drawers in the pantry, awesome thing that Alliance does. Then you have your pass-through bathroom, so it's nice and huge, good storage there where the sink is, plenty of stool space, shower, skylight. Has the new retractable door. Loving that. Squeegees off as it goes in. Again, you do have your door into the bedroom. Plenty of storage above the bed and to the side of the bed. I say plenty. I know there could always be more. Everybody'd love more, but it's a good amount for a camper. And then you got your below bed storage too. This drawer slides back and forth, which is kind of nice to move out of the way if you got stuff below that. That is the 2027 Alliance Delta 291BH. Come on by. Marcel, Hilltop Camper and RV in Fridley, 3 miles north of 694. And you thought I forgot the bunk room. Ta-da! So, you got two nice sized bunks back here with the teddy bear mattresses, 2 windows up on top, 1 below, plenty of lighting back there, and more storage and steps to get up there. All right, come on by, check it out. Beautiful camper made by Alliance. Thanks, guys.